We're all gray.
Wow.
Ew, my teeth look gross. That looks really cool. Look at my eyes. Looks really pretty. Aww.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
I'm really enjoying this for some reason.
This is boring. Oh.
It is boring, but it's like enjoyable. Like it's hard to explain. It's entertaining.
Snowflakes.
But we're boring.
No, snowflakes. Oh,
wait, where'd it go?
Where'd they go? Snowflakes.
Got all quiet.
Do that one.
There's 4 of us.
No.
Our parents would go
us.
nuts.
There's 8 of us.
Well, no, you know what I mean, jerk. Catch the presents, Taylor. Catch them. Negative. My kid, look at my kitchen cabinets. That looks hecka tight.
Why are you so negative?
I wish my kitchen cabinets looked like that.
Do distortions.
We're so far away.
Whoa. I have a big head. It's because I'm so smart.
Bro, what if my hair looked like that? What if I just walked around with my hair like that? Curly hair. It looks so weird. But it's flat. It's so weird. You're strange. Look, Taylor, be a doggy. It doesn't like you. See, look, it'll talk for me. Talk for me, puppy. Or maybe he won't talk for me.
He doesn't like you.
Talk for me. See, he's talking for me a little tiny bit.
Talk for me!
Nope.
You're an asshole. No.
He did it a little bit. So, I'm a news anchor. Hi, my name's Hannah. He talks for me. Oh, he winked at me! It's a teddy bear! A cute little teddy bear! No, wait, why are you being a Chinese man? Chinese man, you can be a Chinese man.
I am not a Chinese man. See, he doesn't
talk for you!
Because I'm not a Chinese man. Wait, go back to distortions.
Where are you on? Wait, swirly. Dang it, you man. Swirly. Where's the swirly?
Oh, right there.
Swirly!
Swirly! I have a mustache.
It's a Taylor hand mix. Mustache.
I can shave.
They're the eggs. They're eggs dropping confetti. I don't understand that.
It's a Mexican tradition.
Boom! Ah! Bam! Pow!
Go. No.
No. The pooping birdie! Put the pooping birdie! Put the pooping birdie! I want to see the pooping birdie.
Go away.
Oh.
No, Hannah.
The pooping birdie!
Double the fun. You can come in. With the pooping birdie.
Pooping birdie! No, not the pooping birdie! Oh shit.
Watch your language. I'm thin.
I'm fat.
Go left.
I'm a light bulb!
Ah!
I'm a light bulb! I'm a light bulb! Bah! Rain. Bam! Crap! No. Yeah! We're watching Harry Potter. You're strange. This is Harry Potter. Bam! Harry Potter. This is really boring. I'm going for like 5 minutes. So let's stop.